Good morning, mates. Nick away. I'm on the south side of our ball pier. Excuse me, my voice is a bit funny this morning. Not to worry. Anyhow, let's see what we got going on. Well, currently the wind is in the south. It was supposed to have gone north yesterday. Did for a little while, then it went back. Anyway, it's holding in the south at 14 miles an hour. We've got several sets, 4 to 6 foot. Clarity, going to put that at a 5. Driving conditions, currently they're a good 7 to 8. There is a lot of new weed on the beach. Current is running from the south to north, and it'll stay that way whilst that wind's in that direction. Air temperature 68 and expected to get up to 71. Sea temperature is 65. Tide wise, we've got a low tide 8:53 this morning, high tide 5:20 this afternoon, with another low tide at 10:57 this evening. You should be able to catch fish in these conditions. Whiting, there's been a lot of them caught, black drum, reds, just everything's out there, and a couple of pompano thrown in as well. Anyhow, check this drone footage out. I'll be at the Houston Boat Show Friday. I look forward to seeing everyone who can make it. I'll be on the Surfmasters stand, and then I'll be doing a seminar, 30-minute seminar on long distance fishing, and we're going to be lucky enough to have good old mate Dion Hunter, who's going to come along and talk about shark fishing for you. So I look forward to seeing you, those that can make it. Don't forget, we'll be on the Surfmasters stand. Should be there most of the day. Look forward to seeing you if you can make it. Catch you later, mates. This is Nick away from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report.